In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a cell in Excel using a keyboard shortcut. Let's start by understanding why mastering keyboard shortcuts, especially in programs like Excel, can dramatically improve your efficiency and productivity. Navigating and editing spreadsheets using the mouse can be time-consuming, but once you get the hang of keyboard shortcuts, you'll find yourself whizzing through tasks that used to take you much longer. Firstly, to get started with using Microsoft Excel for free, we'll navigate to Microsoft 365 Online, which offers free access to Excel through your web browser. This is perfect for anyone who doesn't have the Microsoft Office suite installed on their computer, or prefers to work directly online for easier access and sharing. Once you're on the Microsoft 365 Online page, the next step is to click on the Sign In button. Signing in is necessary to save your changes and access files stored on OneDrive or SharePoint, offering you a seamless experience across Microsoft's cloud services. To sign in, you'll be prompted to type in your email. Make sure to enter the email associated with your Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you'll have the opportunity to create one during this step. A Microsoft account not only gives you access to Excel Online, but also to other services like OneDrive, Word, PowerPoint, and more. After entering your email, you'll click on the Next button, followed by entering your password on the next screen. Microsoft takes security seriously, so you might also go through a two-step verification process depending on your account settings. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, I will use an existing Excel file stored on my OneDrive. To access your files, you might need to navigate through your OneDrive folders. For beginners, OneDrive works very similarly to other cloud storage services, storing your files in the cloud so that you can access them from anywhere, share them with colleagues or friends, and collaborate on documents in real time. Once you've located the Excel file you wish to edit, open it. Now here's where the magic happens. To edit a cell in Excel, traditionally you might double-click the cell using your mouse or navigate to the formula bar to make your changes. However, we're focusing on efficiency and speed, so we will use a keyboard shortcut instead. By pressing the F2 key on your keyboard, with the cell selected that you wish to edit, you'll instantly enter the edit mode for that cell. This allows you to make changes directly within the cell, without ever having to take your hands off the keyboard. This simple shortcut F2 might seem minor, but it's a huge time saver, especially when working with large datasets or performing repetitive tasks. Remember, the cell you want to edit must be selected first, which you can do by navigating with your arrow keys or by clicking on it directly with your mouse before using the F2 shortcut. And that's it. You've learned how to quickly and efficiently edit a cell in an Excel spreadsheet using a keyboard shortcut. Practice this shortcut regularly and soon it will become second nature in your Excel workflow, saving you time and increasing your productivity. It's always recommended to explore and become comfortable with other keyboard shortcuts offered by Excel. These shortcuts cover a wide range of functions, from formatting and selecting cells to formulas and chart creation, potentially transforming the way you work with spreadsheets. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. For more tips and tutorials, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any future content to boost your skills and productivity.